Hi everyone, today my guests are coming on a very short notice. I'm making creamy chicken pasta. I've put my pasta to boil 500 grams of penne and 500 grams of fusilli. You can use whichever pasta you like. I've took 1 kg of chicken tikka which I already made and froze. I've added 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 4 to 5 tablespoons of white vinegar I'm going to add. Soon I'll share the recipe of the chicken tikka as well, how to make it and freeze it for later use. Now I'm gonna check on my chicken if it's tender. We can check this by breaking the chicken. If it's breaking easily, it's done. Otherwise you can cook it for longer. This one is pre-cooked, so it's not gonna take very long. My chicken is done. I'm gonna add a bit of pasta water in there. I'm gonna check on my pasta as well. My pasta is done. I'm gonna use some water and put it in the chicken. That gives a very nice texture and flavor to the pasta. I've added about 4 teaspoons of pasta water. After this, I'm going to drain the rest of the water of pasta. I'm going to let the chicken cook for a while in this pasta water. Now my pasta is drained. In the chicken, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. I'm also going to add 1 jar of pasta sauce. Now I'm gonna let the chicken cook in this sauce. It's a very easy and quick recipe. The texture is very creamy and it tastes amazing. To add more flavor to it, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken powder in there. Now I'm going to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes so all the flavors are blended in. At the end, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream in there and about 4 slices of mozzarella cheese. You can use the other shredded one as well. As soon as the cheese melts, I'm going to add the chicken into the pasta and mix it well. Then I'm going to dish it out and sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano and cheddar cheese on top. I like to put it in the oven for a couple of minutes for the cheese to melt. But you can eat it like this as well. It's ready to eat. Do try this recipe and let me know how did you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your support.